so glad to inform everybody that Tindahan ni Juan will be visible nationwide, of course, by God's grace. No? So this Tindahan ni Juan is really a blessing, no? A blessing to everyone.
Kauna-unahan sa pagkakataon na magkakaroon tayo ng malaking tindahan na may kumpirmo. Parang 7-Eleven.
This is the 9th branch of Sir Ramon and we're very excited to be here. Congratulations again and God bless. More power to you.
Wishing you all the success and prosperity here in Candelaria, Cubao. What else could you do more than support your local Filipino businesses? This is a new branch.
Nandito ako para suportahan ang pagbubukas ng tindahan ni Juan. Congratulations, Sir Ramon Fernandez.
Thank you, Boss Ramon. Dahil dito magsisimula na aangat yung bayan ng Candelaria.